Now, your Storm Tracker first forecast.
Well, a fairly decent Wednesday, but as we head into the evening hours tonight, lots of showers off to our east. Why are we looking off to our east? Because it's all flowing from the east. We're going to see lots of rain showers over the next several days. I'll break it all down for you in Storm Tracker Weather.
Fair, accurate, to the point. The 5:30 news starts now on KBZK, Montana's news station.
Moisture on the horizon, and our meteorologist Adam Bell in with that tonight. Adam.
That's right, we got lots of rain being forecasted over the next couple of days, and that's why I thought I would break down showing you the satellite or just the radar right now across most of the Pacific Northwest. And you can see that it's a little bit different for us here in Montana because we're actually seeing most of the moisture coming in from the east, which is unusual for us, but that's going to be the trend over the next several days. As we zoom in a little closer to home, not a lot of activity going on right now, but we will see that moisture begin to move in over the next couple of days. There's a couple of showers over Park County right now and in the Livingston area, but we will see more moisture move on over the next, once again, few more days. Temperatures right now generally in the 50s for the most part. We are going to cool down back down into the lower 40s tonight, climbing only into the 50s tomorrow, so we're going to remain on the unsettling cooler side, but we will have more moisture on the way, particularly Friday onward. I'll have all that much more in my 7-day forecast in just a few minutes.
All right, Adam, thank you. Good.
Your accurate forecast from Adam Bell starts now with Storm Tracker Weather on KBZK, Montana's news station.
Well, ever since over the weekend, we were actually, all three of us meteorologists have been talking about the possibility of some rain across southwest Montana, but it keeps getting delayed by a little bit. And I think we got another day or so before it hits our area, but we do have in Park County, I wanted to show you an interesting scenario. We have a flood watch along with a winter storm watch in effect for the county. Here's what's going to be going on just east of our viewing area. We have Thursday night through Sunday is going to be the event. Above 8,000 feet, 1 to 2 feet of snow. Below 8,000 feet, 1 to 2 inches of rain. So not only are we going to be adding to the snowpack, which we should have stopped doing a month ago, we're going to be adding more rain to the rivers as well. So we're looking at a pretty big concern for some high waters over the next several days. And it's all associated with a low pressure system down to our south that keeps spinning around. Now, we usually look to the west to see where our showers and everything is coming from. But for the next couple of days, look the other way. Turn around 180 degrees. Everything's going to be rolling out of the east. Places like Billings all the way out to Park County, we're expecting anywhere from 1 to 2 inches over the next couple of days. It will take another 48 hours before it really impacts the eastern part of our viewing area, mainly east of the divide, where we have a good chance for possibly a half-inch or more of rain just on Friday alone as we head into the weekend. A few clouds over at Bozeman-Gallatin Field right now, 58 degrees, but the winds continuing to blow out of the east at about northeasterly wind at 16 miles per hour. Let's go outside live with our First Interstate Bank ICAM, and you can see the wind as we look at the Montana State Bobcat flag flapping in the wind from atop Bobcat Stadium. Bridger Mountain still in the distance, still once again snow up there, despite the fact we should be taking away snow from the mountains, not adding more to it over the next couple of days. Statewide temperatures overall pretty uniform, but we are looking a little warmer out toward Missoula and Kalispell, mid and upper 60s. And then the cooler areas where all the showers are across north central and eastern Montana, 49 degrees right now in Lewistown, so a little bit chilly with those rain showers out there. As we look at weather spotters recording across most of southwestern Montana, mostly cloudy skies, a couple gusty breezes here and there. Generally, though, we are well below our average for this time of year in terms of temperatures across southwest Montana. Now let's take a look at the big picture across the area. There's that low down to our south, and you can see it's got that counterclockwise motion, and it's giving us that easterly flow. This low is going to take its time over the next 48 hours, actually the next 3 days, slowly moving toward the north and east, but as it does, it's spinning a lot of moisture off from east to west, which is what is uncommon for us here in southwest Montana, but we still have some showers over Park County that will be moving into the Gallatin Valley, maybe a couple sprinkles tonight, but you'll see as we put this into motion that the better chance for the showers is going to be starting late tomorrow going into Friday. Watch as this low continues to move just ever so slowly. The yellow is indicating some heavier precipitation, starts pushing eastward just on the edge of Gallatin County by late on Friday. So that's when we're going to start seeing that steadier precipitation, where once again we could pick up a half-inch or more just on Friday alone. For the rest of the night tonight, though, we are looking at mostly cloudy skies. For our area east of the divide, further east of us, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies with a good chance for some showers to Billings, to Lewistown, and yes, even some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Much cooler as we're only in the upper 50s for Lewistown and Billings. Bozeman also just hitting 58 degrees for that afternoon high temperature. For the Gallatin Valley tonight, though, mostly cloudy skies, an isolated shower or two, but definitely the clouds are going to keep it well above the freezing mark for those that are planting flowers or trying to get their garden growing in the next couple of days. 58 degrees for your high temperature in Bozeman. That's it. Watch for a few showers. Northeast winds still howling, though. at roughly 15 miles per hour. Now, as we look at that 7-day forecast, we are still looking at a good opportunity for showers. The best chance for steadier rain comes in on Friday. Then we're going to stay cool, staying only in the lower 60s. Our average high this time of year should be pushing into the upper 60s. Not the case over the next week, so we are going to be unsettlingly cool and wet right on in through Memorial Day weekend. It looks like it's going to be very unsettled weather, and I wanted to just point out that we had a record high 2 years ago, 91 degrees set back today. Last year, this time, 80 degrees. So much cooler, and I wish I had better news.
Yeah, well, we'll take it.
You want a secret?
What?
Adam expects warmer temperatures. He's got sandals on. Absolutely.
Golf shoes, nonetheless.
You're going to need sandals to play golf at Montana's newest golf course. Wait till you see this.
Well, I wish I had better news, but we're looking at some very unsettled weather starting as early as tomorrow afternoon, but more likely Friday, and we're going to see the rain continue off and on. And even as I look into the longer range forecast, we could see showers almost every day through Memorial Day, even into the first part of June.
Yeah, a long stretch.
I know. Don't I bring good news when I come to do the weather?
Man.
Thanks for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you tonight at 10 o'clock.